Italmecc is a leader in the design and production of dust collectors with dry filtration. After a quick routine check, the operator can start the machine. Thanks to the efficiency achieved with Air Domino over years of development, the work environment is cleaner and safer, complying with legal standards. The machine's great versatility also allows the operator to move freely during all processing phases. The suction system, composed of high-capacity fans with advanced acoustic insulation, generates a very effective suction flow. The installed filters ensure a filtration efficiency of up to 99%. The dust captured by the filters falls into dedicated collection drawers that are easy to empty. This phase, called the self-cleaning cycle, is performed completely automatically. The purified air is then released into the environment. Self-cleaning cycles are essential. However, Italmecc recommends manual filter cleaning at least once a year. This ensures the maximum efficiency of the dust collector at all times.